Has everyone played Loteria before? We're gonna go ahead and start with sex ed.
Los pechos. The breasts.
¿Quién tiene pecho? Breasts.
Me neither. The uterus.
The Raíz program was established to really work within the Latinx community, but to have that trust and that connection between Latinos and Latinos.
What I have found with Raíz is a community that is trying to advocate for our rights. They're your first resources if you're ever in need. So if it comes down to reproductive health, immigration, food insecurity, all of those items, they're very well connected with the community and they know other members who can help you.
Raíz started in 2014 with Planned Parenthood, and it started as an initiative to register people to the Affordable Care Act. After that, they really saw the need for having a program that would represent the Latinx community and help navigate the healthcare system.
I first became a volunteer with Raíz when I came across Fernanda at a rally. She informed me that her work mainly revolves around sex education in the Latinx community, and that piqued my interest because that was the first time I had heard that someone was working in our community.
Growing up, I would have to go and interpret my mother to go get any type of assistance or interpret her to get health care, and it was very intimidating for her to be asking for help or guidance when someone didn't look like her, didn't speak her language.
My parents were farm workers, so noticing that they were neglecting their health because first of all, they had to make ends meet. They had to put food on the table. And so seeing my dad and mom get sick but not going into the doctors because of the cost and just because of time was really hard.
It's really important for Raíz to be that voice and be that face that we can trust and we can associate ourselves with.
Raíz is a grassroots program because they're meeting people where they're at, like going to the orchards in Wenatchee have taken place where we table there.
We just develop different events that we can put together in English and Spanish and bring communities together and talk about these in a safe space and just have an open conversation and dialogue about what sex is and how to access reproductive health care and why it's so important to have access to reproductive health care. We play sex ed loteria and we talk to people about important issues that are affecting our community.
I think it's important that we continue to volunteer through Raíz and try to gain that trust with our community because a lot of our Latinx community members do not think or know that there's other people here that can support them or that they can listen to them or that they can guide them. It's important that for them to understand that their legal status doesn't matter when it comes down to this, that they still have rights and that we can guide them through this.
Raíz is more than just health.
También es justicia,
conocimiento
y poder.
Juntos por Planned Parenthood.